In this lecture onwards, we are going to work on these reviews. As soon as I click on all reviews, here, whatever products I am having in my application, all the products will be displayed. And for whichever product we are having the reviews, there we will have view reviews button. For this, I am having one review. As soon as I click on this, below that I will have one table where name of the user, what rating they have given, what comment they have given, and we are having this delete icon. So this complete table will be displayed. And for the second product, if I click on whatever reviews user has given, all the reviews will be shown. And if admin is not liking the review, admin can also delete the review from here. So now one by one, we are going to work on this complete reviews functionality. So first thing, what we will do, whatever reviews we are having for the product, we are just going to fetch all the reviews. Now I will open admin slice. From here, I will copy this complete function and below this paste. Comment, I will be passing fetch all reviews. And inside this function name, I will be passing fetch product reviews. Action type, I will write fetch product reviews. And from backend, I'm just going to open product routes because this is part of product. So I'm just going to open product routes. And here you can see we are having the path reviews. And when we are having this route, we have to access all the reviews. So from here, I will open this function and inside this, I am having get product reviews. And from where we are accessing product, we are accessing product from query. So here I will come, remove this complete config and inside this, what I have to accept, I only have to accept product ID. So for whichever product we are having the reviews, we have to fetch all the reviews. So that product ID we are going to access. Here we will pass get request and our route is API/v1/reviews. From here, I will remove this complete thing. Instead, what we have to pass? We have pass query. And what query we have given? We have given query.id. So for this ID, we are just going to assign this product ID. So in this way, we are going to find the product and using that product, whatever reviews we are having, that we are going to render. So this is nothing but query and from query, we are going to access this product ID. And inside this, we are having success and reviews. So inside this admin slice, here I will create the state reviews and for this, I'm just going to assign empty array. Now scroll down, copy this complete function and below this paste. Inside this, I will be passing fetch product reviews, copy, paste and paste. Error message, I will write failed to fetch product reviews. Same error message, I will copy and I will be pasting inside this function. Inside this fulfill state, what all we have to access? We will access loading for which we will assign false. We do not want to access success. Instead, we are just going to access reviews. So here, I will be passing reviews and from payload, I'm just going to access reviews. So inside this reviews, what information we will have? Inside every product, we will have reviews property. So that entire thing we will access and we will store inside this reviews property. So this review is nothing but array. In this way, we will access all the reviews.